What does the possibility of owning a home in Atlanta mean to me?
Why wouldn't you want to own your property? You know it's going to continue to go up. This is the place where people need to be and everybody's coming. You would want to have a home in Atlanta. It just makes sense.
Accessibility, walkability, community, and urban living. And that is what I am very much so interested in.
Being in a city that is thriving, a city where you can make your dreams come true. Working with Invest Atlanta, knowing that I can make it affordable for me and still be close to work and close to one of the busiest airports in the world is astounding.
Having an investment in the city to where when change happens, I'm a part of the change.